हेलो हेलो। पोस्ट जिम टॉक। क्या टाइम हो रहा है? 9 बज चुके हैं रात के। लेट्स गो। हुश 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 हुश। सो एनीवे व्हाट्स अप इन माय लाइफ? सो जस्ट अ लिटिल लाइफ अपडेट। जस्ट अ लिटिल लाइफ अपडेट। मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स ओवर हो गए। आई पास्ड माई 11th विद pretty good marks. Yeah, pretty cool. Except in maths, dude. Fuck maths. Basically, I fucking hate that subject. Not the subject though. I like doing maths, but भाई इस चूतिया टीचर्स पता नहीं क्या बकचोद पेपर बनाते हैं, माँ चुत जाती है. बट एनीवे किसी ने मुझे बोला था कि आई शुडंट cuss a lot in my video, so I'm not going to cuss. I promise. So yeah, my 11th grade exams got over. For my business, you know, like my revenue is fluctuating between 1 to 2 lakhs per month. So I don't know what the hell is happening, but you know, recently I have hired my first employee, and that employee is a friend of mine. So basically what I used to do all by myself, I have given all my responsibilities to him. So all I do every day is I just yell at him that why haven't you done this, why haven't you done that, and yeah, he just generates money for me, and I just give him a little bit of commission. Like, god damn, I'm so smart. But so I mean, the revenue is fluctuating, but I believe abhi 2 महीनों में it will become constant. And because I'm learning sales, I will start handling my clients' sales calls. You know, like that guy that I've hired, he's booking some appointments here and there, and I believe in a week or so, he's pretty smart, in a week or so he will. और भैया ठीक हूँ. And I believe in a week or so he will like start booking like 1 to 2 appointments consistently every day. So that's pretty good. Yup. जो काम मैं करता था वो सारा काम मैं इसको करवा रहा हूँ, और भाई उसको बस छोटा सा कमीशन मिल रहा है. I mean, like, he isn't even complaining because he is a smart guy, and or because I have given him the opportunity to do a skill like appointment setting, which is just like sales. So like, he's getting a lot of knowledge, so that's pretty good, and he is learning from somebody who has been making pretty good money through appointment setting. So yeah, that's me only. So yeah, that's my business update, guys. Right, I'm learning sales, and I believe I am on a good journey to 10k per month by the end of this year. Please root for me. Please don't pray for my downfall. Some of my friends prayed for my downfall, and for a while my business revenue actually dropped. So please root for me. Anyway, I want to talk about something pretty goddamn important, and that is my hate for these masculinity videos that I see on YouTube. So you know, ऐसे masculinity videos content लोग बनाते थे, like people like Alpha Joe. No, fuck, what am I saying? Yeah, I think Alpha Joe. I don't remember that guy's name correctly, लेकिन वो short सी height का बंदा जो men को fashion सिखाता था and everything like that. Like अगर तुम मेरे जैसे हो तो फिर तुमने 8th क्लास में उसकी कोई वीडियो देखी होगी on how to get better dressing sense so that you can attract women. So yeah, you know, मुझे like ऐसा पता नहीं था कि लोग उसके अलावा भी लोग ऐसा masculinity content बनाते हैं. But today I opened my YouTube after a long time. Like, I have this extension on YouTube that blocks my whole feed. Okay, so I turned off that extension today after a long goddamn time, and my feed was somehow filled with some dumb self-improvement content made by Indians. There is nothing wrong with self-improvement. I mean, I used to be on self-improvement, like I used to meditate, I used to say affirmations. By the way, that shit isn't going to make you rich. Okay? So that shit isn't going to make you rich. So I like, मेरी feed पे बहुत सारे self-improvement videos थे, and a lot of those videos were about topics like masculinity, and और मैंने सोचा out of curiosity, let's click on these videos और देखते हैं भाई क्या masculinity के बारे में ये लोग मुझे बताएंगे. How can I be more of a man, यार? How can I be more of a man? So I've clicked in one of these videos, and it was made by this guy named Sharrington. I think वही था उसका नाम. And I'm like, ये क्या बकचोदी कर रहा है ये बंदा? So this guy, he's I think probably who looked like a 14-year-old, 15-year-old kid, ये ज्ञान चोद रहा था about masculinity. Okay, so that this kid who I don't think is more than 14 or 15 years old, he was giving advice on how to become more masculine, like 3 habits that are going to make you more masculine. और वो ये सब लो लेवल ज्ञान चोद रहा था, लो लेवल मोटिवेशन चोद रहा था about masculinity and why nobody in the current world is masculine. कि देखो सारे लौंडे आजकल छोटे छोटे सोए बेबीज हैं, ऐसा कुछ. So he was saying something like that. And the thing is like, हाँ पता नहीं वो एडवाइस I don't know अगर वो जो एडवाइस दे रहा है वो अच्छी दे रहा होगा या नहीं, but my actual concern was how is a kid giving, who is like 14 years old, giving advice on masculinity. Like genuinely, how the hell is that possible? Like let me tell you something, मैं 16 साल का हूँ and I will turn 17 in 6 months. So let's consider me as a 17-year-old, and I'm like, I wouldn't say I'm mature in any way. Like ऐसे लोग मुझे बोलेंगे कि like कुछ लोग मुझे बोलते हैं that I'm mature and shit like that क्योंकि I earn छोटा मोटा पैसा from a skill called appointment setting. But let me tell you something, I'm not mature at all. ठीक है, I'm the least mature person I know. So I myself, I don't think so I can literally like give advice on masculinity. ठीक है, और मुझसे छोटे साल के बच्चे बहनचोद masculinity पे एडवाइस दे रहे हैं, and they are telling like other 13-14-year-olds about masculinity. Sorry for the disturbance, by the way. This is like I'm walking outside my society, so yeah, like भाई ये क्या बकचोदी है, ये क्या बकचोदी है. like अच्छा अगर कोई 50 साल का बंदा होता है भाई, कोई 50 साल के अंकल होते हैं and he would be giving advice on masculinity, मैं भाई सुनता with all ears. even if वो 50 साल के अंकल किसी स्लम में रह रहे होते हैं, मैं उनकी एडवाइस सुनता because they have a lot of experience. you know, ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं कि टीचर्स की क्यों सुनो, टीचर्स तो इतना कम पैसा कमा रहे हैं, but I don't think so. You should listen to teachers because some teachers that are genuine, you know, that are genuine and are not brain dead, they actually give pretty good advice and they have a lot of experience. समझो. So you know, मैं उस बंदे का वीडियो देख रहा था and my literal thought was, how the fuck is this even legal? Like, how can you give advice to other 13-14-year-olds as a 14-year-old yourself about masculinity? Like, you are a goddamn child, bro. भाई तू बच्चा है. I don't even think कि एक 23-24 साल के बंदे को masculinity पे advice देनी चाहिए. Like dude, because masculinity ना आजकल के like ज़माने में बहुत वो हो गई है, डाउनग्रेड कर दिया लोगों ने. पीपल थिंक कि एंड्रू टेट जैसे लोग बहुत मैस्कुलिन हैं ब्रो, कि एंड्रू टेट को देखो भाई कितने पैसे कमा रहा है और कितनी लड़कियां हैं उसके पास. यार ही इज़ सो गॉडडैम मैस्कुलिन. लाइक नो डूड, ही इज़ नॉट. एंड एंड्रू टेट इज़ प्रीटी ब्रेन डेड इन माई ओपिनियन. यू नो, वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, ही इज़ अ प्रीटी बिग एंड्रू टेट फैन. एंड मैं उसके सामने भी ये बोलता हूँ कि भाई जिस बंदे को तू फॉलो कर रहा है वो कितना बड़ा ब्रेन डेड है. एंड ही रिसेंटली स्कैम्ड like he recently even क्या था, क्रिप्टो करेंसी. या he recently launched a cryptocurrency called Daddy and he rug pulled it. So basically rug pull is similar to just scamming. So he scammed his audience of like hundreds of millions of dollars. And like god damn dude, ये इस बंदे को देखते हो तुम बहनचोद. I mean हाँ, एंड्रू टेट की कुछ एडवाइस अच्छी है, but a lot of his advice I don't agree with. I mean yeah, Andrew Tate is pretty goddamn funny. मैं उसकी clips देखी है मैंने, ठीक है. He is pretty goddamn funny. I wouldn't like disagree with that. And some of his advice is pretty good. लेकिन बाकी advice it's not that good. And the thing is, ऐसे ये जो 14-15 साल के बच्चे हैं, they see these videos of Andrew Tate, they get influenced by him, और वो same ज्ञान डाउनग्रेड करके ये लोग बाकी 14-15 सालों को चोदते हैं. एंड द थिंग इज़, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा, मैं उस बंदे को स्पेसिफिकली उस बंदे के अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ. वो बंदा तो भाई कुछ भी कर रहा है टू earn money because he I think he's selling a coaching program to other 13-14-year-old kids about how to become more masculine and general self-improvement stuff. So yeah, he is selling that goddamn coaching program, and the thing is, भाई ऐसा बच्चा यार, but maybe I'm repeating the same point over and over again, but this baffles me भाई. 13, 14, 15 साल का, 16 साल का बच्चा भी भाई कैसे ये ज्ञान चोद रहा है, कैसे ये ज्ञान चोद रहा है बहन की चूत. Like on masculinity, like masculinity is such a complex topic. You should probably listen to masculinity advice from your dad, because your dad, your 40, 45-year-old, 50-year-old dad has more experience than this kid जिसका तुम program buy कर रहे हो. Let me tell you something. I help coaches on Instagram sell their program, ठीक है, sell their coaching program. और one of my biggest criteria is कि ये बंदा ना जो मेरा few potential client है, that guy shouldn't be scamming his audience. That's like my moral obligation as like of running my business or being an appointment setter. I mean, it's a business now because I have hired people, so I can call it a fucking business. So that's my moral obligation as a business owner, कि I am not going to support something that is a scam. You know, because I remember like in October of last year, I got on a call with a guy who was selling a sales course for like around $5,000. But the thing was, मैंने उससे पूछा like how much are you earning right now? And he said like, yeah man, I'm a photographer and I'm earning around $3,000 per month right now. And the thing is, उसने कभी sales करी नहीं थी, उसने दूसरों को इसके sales course को copy कर दिया, and now he's selling that sales course for $5,000 and he doesn't even have any sales experience himself. Like god damn it, I would have made so much money with that guy क्योंकि उसकी audience भी around 15,000 followers की थी, but I really didn't choose to. I ended that call right there and then because I was like, भाई I'm not going to support a scam. And the thing is, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि ये जो इस बंदे ने जो program launch करा हुआ है, that's a scam, but that's not really legit, and I wouldn't consider working with a guy who sells a program like that. Like, dude, you don't have any experience. What the fuck are you on about? And the thing is, the most like advice that they give on about masculinity, it's about क्या general stuff like meditation. I don't know meditation था या नहीं, but a lot. By the way, I'm not targeting that guy individually. I'm targeting the whole fucking community. So don't tell me कि उस बंदे ने ये किया, उस बंदे ने वो किया. I don't give a fuck about him. So बहुत लोग पता नहीं क्या dumb चीज़ों को correlate करते हैं with masculinity, meditation and shit like that. And some people even make content like red pill content जिसमें वो बोलते हैं कि लड़कियों को बुरी तरह treat करो and shit like that. If you're watching that type of content, most probably you don't get chicks, bro. Like fuck, god damn it, you don't get any chicks if you watch that kind of content where they teach you कि तुम लड़की को इस तरह ignore करो और फिर लड़कियाँ तुम्हारे पास आएंगी. Like हाँ आएंगी भाई, because women like to be ignored and shit. Like women like you more, or like you more if you're mysterious and if you ignore them and shit. But that's not really something that will happen long term. Or why do you even want to do it, dude? Like just have a normal girlfriend. यार ये क्या बकचोदी तो मैं करनी है? Be mysterious, be nonchalant. Like fuck off. I'm better being a chalant man than acting like someone who is nonchalant. शांति मिली finally. भैंचो अब कोई गाड़ी नहीं है. But still पता नहीं क्या बकचोदी करते हैं यार ये. What do you call them? Masculinity gurus. They teach shit like they teach generic shit and they package it in a way कि यार ये अच्छा हाँ ये advice तो कितनी original है. Like हाँ, NoFap will help you. NoFap will help you in many ways, but being on NoFap doesn't mean you are masculine. Like ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं control your sexual urges and you are masculine. Like नहीं भाई. और फिर वो एग्जाम्पल देते हैं पता नहीं किसका भाई 3000 पहले ये बंदा था. लाइक नहीं बहनचोद. if you're giving an example of a caveman कि cavemen अपनी sexual energy को use करते थे lions को hunt करने के लिए, then you're pretty fucking wrong. because studies have shown constantly that as men we are pretty animalistic, and whenever we used to get a sexual urge, we used to satisfy it by raping women. I'm not even kidding. Literally, if you are a man in, let's say, in the Stone Age or in the Middle Age, not the Middle Ages, yeah, the Stone Age. If you're a man in the Stone Age, and if you get a sexual urge, most probably what you're going to do is you're going to find a girl and you're going to rape her. Seriously, that's what you're going to do, because men are pretty animalistic. And the thing is, if you tell shit like कि yo no fap karo tum masculine ban jaoge, then you're not really masculine. Like, shut up, dude. Why? It's so dumb. Like, no fap karo, but like doing no fap doesn't make you masculine. And then they tell you shit like how to increase your testosterone. Like, bhai, testosterone increase ho sakta hai naturally. Just eat a good ass diet, hit the gym, and your testosterone will increase. Extra supplements buy करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Same thing with height. Like, bro, your height is not going to grow if you're like a 20-year-old, or if you're like, अच्छा ठीक है, अगर तुम 13-14 साल के हो तब your height will grow. But the thing is, this Sharrington guy, मैंने इसका वीडियो देखा, and he was promoting supplement, height growing supplement. I'm like, ये बंदा बहन का लोड़ा क्या चूतिया बकचोद है. Like, he is selling a little scam कि भाई ये supplement खरीदो, मुझे commission मिलेगा और तुम्हारी हाइट बढ़ जाएगी. सेम थिंग आई थिंक ये अपने सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट कोर्स में कुछ वो भी मनी मेकिंग शिट भी बेच रहा होगा. फर्स्टली डूड, दीज मनी मेकिंग स्कीम्स एंड दीज मनी मेकिंग कोर्सेज आर सच अ ह्यूज स्कैम, एंड आई कैन से दैट विद कन्विक्शन बिकॉज आई वर्क in this space. Like, I work with coaches and I help them sell their coaching programs, and most of them, they are pretty goddamn scammy. Like, I like my current client, she's not a scam. I know for a fact कि वो अच्छी value देती है अपने clients को. So that's pretty good. But still, don't buy into the shit that these people tell you कि अगर तुम कुछ habits follow करोगे, you will become masculine. Masculinity is not judged by the habits that you do. It's judged by your action and results. Like, हाँ भाई, meditation करो, no fap करो, लेकिन तुम ये सब कैसे करोगे अगर तुम्हारे पास like पैसे ही नहीं है बहनचोद. तुम्हारा बाप पूरे दिन काम करके आ रहा है और तुम भाई यहाँ नो फैप कर रहे हो कि हाँ भाई मुट्ठी नहीं मारूंगा. लाइक, शट द फक अप. लाइक, या, यू शुड स्टिल डू नो फैप, बट यू शुड लाइक focus on actual shit instead of doing dumb shit like that. You are not going to become masculine by following some fucking habits. So yeah, anyway, that's the thing that I wanted to tell you guys about. Pretty dumb shit, right? YouTube is pretty goddamn dumb. Like, मैंने आज YouTube Shorts पे scroll करा था, and भाई मैं YouTube Shorts पे कभी scroll नहीं करने वाला भाई. Instagram Reels are so much better. But yeah, anyway, I will post another video. I will give you more life updates कि भाई how I am taking my business from 1 to 2K per month to how I'm going to take my business from 1 to 2K per month to 10K per month. Yeah, bye.